welcome to Sundubu Kitchen. Today I'm going to make one of tofu dish we call Sundubu Jjigae with seafood. Sundubu Jjigae is one of most common and popular stew you can get from the Korean restaurant. And there are so many kinds of recipe, but today I'm going to use a basic recipe with seafood. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. These are the 3 tofu products Koreans use a lot. This one I used for braised tofu last time. And today I'm going to use sundubu. Sundubu means a soft tofu. I'm going to make Sundubu Jjigae with this. And the last one is Sundubu, we call it. And we just eat like pudding with sauce, as I told you before. Anyway, let's start cooking. When you open soft tofu, we cut with package like this because it's so soft. To take out the sundubu soft tofu from the package, just squeeze the end part of the package, like push like this, something like toothpaste. You don't have to worry about when it's squashed because anyway it will be squashed in the soup. Actually, it comes out quite easily, smoothly, and as you can see, it's so soft. Anyway, just leave it while you prepare other ingredients. Today I'm going to use this broth I made with mussels. I'm going to put mussels too with prawn later, but it's okay to use just water. First, I'm going to make garlic and chili oil. Put some oil in the pot with a medium-low heat and add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. And 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And stir fry like this for a while until you can get a delicious smell. When you make this kind of oil, it's important not to burn the ingredients because it gives you a bitter taste. After stir frying 1 or 2 minutes, add the sliced onion and stir fry a little bit just until it gets slightly soft. And add zucchini and stir fry like this until they get slightly soft. But you don't have to cook too much because we're going to boil later for a while. I think just 1 or 2 minutes would be enough. After stir frying, pour the broth or water. I'm not going to put the mussels this time because it's already cooked. So I'm going to add at the end. Anyway, change the heat medium-high and leave it until it starts to boil. I think it's time to check sundubu, soft tofu. If you see close there's water came from sundubu, it's okay. You can put in the stew. When the stew boils again, then add chopped green onion. Now I'm going to put sundubu. You can cut with your spoon like this and put it all. Even if you squash a bit, it doesn't matter that much because when you eat, we just mix with other ingredients. Because I used mussel broth, which is already salty by itself, so I didn't put any salt in this stew. But if you just use water, you can put just 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. And the stew will boil again. Then it's time to put prawns with shells. Because prawn cooks, I'm going to add mussels already cooked. I use these mussels for extra ingredients for this time. So when you use just water for broth, this is time for putting mushroom. While it's boiling, make room for eggs and turn it off the heat. The stew is still boiling, and break the egg like this in the middle of the stew and serve. Well, finished. The egg's not cooked completely yet, but after mixed with other ingredients, it will get cooked slowly. Did you enjoy today's recipe? You might think it looks a bit spicy, but if you already got used to spicy food, you wouldn't think it's spicy at all. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.